Hey, it smells. There's one woman and 2 acres, and you won't believe it. It's greenhouse build time again. And this is the way we build a door. Well, try to do it without the nails coming through. But all I've done is a butt joint to a butt joint. I added a cross piece to the center of the door. Added a handle with a little latch, as well as the hinges so the door will actually open. I tried to get fancy with the window. So I did diagonal cuts and pieced it together. And now the window, and I added the hinges, and now the window opens. And it works. It's not great, but it works. I have 6 mil plastic, and I'm finally going to put the plastic over the greenhouse. That's step one. Now I just cut off the excess for one side. Come on, baby. Come on. This I can use for the windows, doors, sides, and whatever. I'm going to try to use this stapler that it's an electric and it hasn't been used in a million years. Ha! Oh! I unplugged myself. Get over here. Well, like I said, these things for me are imperfect, but the door is covered. Yay. And look, the window is covered. Hey, at least I got that part done. It seems the watch phrase for today is improvise. Because I didn't get the plastic wide enough, and it's 6 mil by the way, I have to kind of fashion it. And I hope I have enough. We're going to try. Okay. Alright. Work. Okay. Oh. And let the improvisation continue. Okay, over here. One go. I don't think there's anything straight on my property. Which is about right. Okay, now I tip it down. Right. Well, it's up. Oh, what a mess. But I ran out of plastic, so there will be a next episode. I have a feeling I'm the reason that they invented duct tape. Oh, you be. I can pull it through. Okay, so I'm going to pull this through, tack it down here, and then start all over again on the front. Try to get that in. Then we're going to actually put in some shelving and hope that it doesn't blow away in the next tornado. Thank you. This has been Mel with One Woman and 2 Acres saying, have fun with this. This is supposed to be fun. So far it has been. A little frustrating from time to time, but it's been fun. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, and nothing around my place does. But have fun with it. You know, if these don't go in, lock them in anyway. We'll get something else to put it in with. Just have fun with it. So, in closing, y'all have a blessed day.